Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 breaks the record on previous foldables, and if you are up for getting Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, then this is the right time. Since Samsung will give you pre-order gifts which will be a free credit. The Fold 4 is still expensive and it's still a gadget person's gadget, but if you have been interested in the Fold and watching for Samsung to work the bugs out of the system, then this is the foldable phone you've waiting for. Samsung receives 50,000 bookings for Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 in just 12 hours. Most smartphones have a specific purpose or target consumer they're designed for. Z Fold 4 is officially Samsung's best phone when it comes to battery life. Finally, a great battery life on a Samsung flagship, something both S21 Ultra and S22 Ultra failed to do. There's the Galaxy Z Fold 4 range, the kings of productivity with the Galaxy Fold 4. Samsung continue the trend. Since the first Galaxy Fold, I've loved the big screen for productivity. Samsung's secret is new light mode, which optimizes the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in a way that it extends battery life, and while not being applied to the gaming scene, meaning as soon as you launch the game you get the full performance experience. My favorite Fold 4 feature is the taskbar, designed to replicate the PC-like experience of having a dock of apps that are always visible at the bottom of the screen. It is the easiest way to access the apps you've used recently, your entire app library, or the apps pinned at the bottom of the front screen. Therein lies my only complaint with the taskbar: there's no flexibility. It displays up to 8 apps in total, and follows the same one you have at the bottom of the home screen on the main screen. This features is the taskbar. It is software implemented, so hopefully it does come to the Z Fold 3, but Samsung worked in a partnership with Google to provide a new unique experience known as Android L for large screen devices, tablets, and foldables. And with the taskbar, it brings multitasking to the next level and really provides a more desktop-like experience on your phone. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is close to being the perfect phone for portable productivity, and improved camera means it's likely to be a permanent fixture in my pocket. If you need productivity on the go, the Z Fold 4 is the phone to buy. Now is the best time. Are you interested in getting Galaxy Z Fold 4? And what are your thoughts about this productivity monster? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.